Get a new trial. Jason Tibbs was found guilty last year of killing Raina Ryson in 1993. It was a cold case that went cold for years. WSBT-22's James Fillmore is here. And James, Tibbs wasn't at that hearing today.
He was supposed to appear via video, Rick, but he never did. The hearing went on without him. His attorney believes the prosecution made a deal with a key witness in exchange for his testimony. And Tibbs's lawyers say they didn't know about it until the trial was over. So they want another jury to hear the case.
You want the opportunity to present the evidence that should have been presented at the first trial.
Scott King is an attorney representing Jason Tibbs. They've appealed the 2014 conviction. A judge will decide whether to grant a motion that would allow for a new trial. 4 people testified inside the LaPorte County courtroom. One of them was Ricky Hammonds. He too is a convicted murderer.
Particularly in this case, this witness was a critical state's witness. This wasn't somebody that just came in and guessed about the color of a car. This was someone that claimed to be an eyewitness.
In addition to Hammonds, his attorney and a former LaPorte County deputy prosecutor also testified. King asked all 3 several times if there was ever a promise or deal made to Hammonds in exchange for his testimony in the Raina Ryson cold case murder trial. They all said no, but King also thinks the timing of everything is suspicious.
It was filed months after the Tibbs case was concluded at the trial level. We only became aware of it, just quite frankly, we were in the middle of preparing our brief when we tipped off that this had been filed.
Hammonds filed a petition to have his own sentence modified. He testified that it was to assist him with other options, like work release programs that would help him transition back to life outside of prison.
We just think there was some winking and nodding going on here, that we have a right to have a jury determine, is Hammonds telling us the truth?
The Court of Appeals has given a deadline of December 22nd. If the judge approves the motion, there would be a new trial. If he doesn't, the defense would have 30 days to make its next move. And Rick, the judge did say that with the holidays coming up, he could ask the Court of Appeals for a 10-day extension on the defense's deadline.
James, thank you.